Woman, you are not too much. You are not weak for feeling. You are not behind beneath. And becoming takes time.
Dear woman, you have survived things you never talk about. You wake up, that alone makes you powerful. Keep going. They tried to break you. Life tested you. Tears fell. But look at you still standing, still dreaming, still rising.
She carries pain with grace, dreams with courage, and strength in her silence. She is a woman, and that is her power.
Wake up, woman. Today is another chance, another step, another win waiting for you. Don't stop now. Behind every peaceful home is deep pleas, fright is ties stand strong. She's a Murudo woman.
She stayed when it was hard. She believed when love was tested.
That is real love. A wise woman doesn't shout to win. She builds with calm words, gentle strength, and a loving heart. She protects her home. Marriage is not perfect, people. It's two imperfect hearts choosing love daily. Woman, your effort matters. Your love is seen.
She wakes up tired, but still chooses love. She carries the home on her shoulders and peace in her hands. A true Murudo woman.
When love is real, respect becomes the foundation and teamwork becomes the lifestyle. Pray together, plan together, grow together. This is how marriages win. A strong marriage isn't perfect. It's two imperfect people who refuse to give up on each other. Husband and wife are not competitors. They are partners building one future. A husband's strength is multiplied by a supportive wife, and a wife's peace is protected by a loving husband. Marriage is choosing the same person every day, even on the hard days. Two hearts, one vision.
One home, one forever.
With love, we can survive any storm. Your marriage is not for show, it's for growth. Protect it. When a husband and wife walk in unity, nothing can break them. Salary finished already?
It didn't even arrive fully.
So what now?
We survive, like always. Baby, why is the baby white?
Because your best friend is white. That's what God blessed us with, a white baby. People are asking questions.
Tell them we're updating.
Updating what?
The system.
Why is the Wi-Fi off?
It's resting.
Data doesn't rest. Bills don't rest.
Then let peace rest in this house.
Gotcha. You should see your face.
Hey, I wasn't ready for that.
You love it. Admit it.
Maybe a little.
Babe, landlord called again?
Tell him I'm praying.
He said prayer must come with money.
Even God understands pressure now.
Life is tough. The hustle is too much.
Even Sadza was once a dream.
You're right.
On 12 June 2018, wakaninyadzisa pa Growth Point.
Ndengoti ndine nzara.
Njipawo phone ndione nguva.
Network ilikuramba itachaje here.
Itazva unoda.
Ukati do whatever you want.
Saka ndizva unoda here kuita mumba mangu.
I have logic, receipts, and evidence.
Saka ndiwe wakarama.
Nini urombo? Salary yauya.
School fees, groceries, rent.
Tinenge tichita brai here weekend.
Husband must be very big baboon.
Une chikomba iwe.
Ndi wakatanga.
He said sorry.
And you think saying sorry make me feel better?
Babe, look in the mirror.
I look handsome.
I meant the other mirror. Your behavior.
Why is the relish finished?
Ask your mouth, not me.
I eat like a king.
Yes, a hungry king.
You love your phone more than me.
My phone never forgets anniversaries.